Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 6 of my South Africa motorcycle adventure. I am staying here in Swazi village, or the new name is Eswatini. It's a beautiful property. These thatch roofs are so amazing. There's nothing in between. Just these like straws, and water does not go through. Everything inside stays dry no matter the level of rain. This was the restaurant where we ate last night. All right, it is day 6 South Africa ride. It's a beautiful sunny day in Eswatini around 9 o'clock. Time to hit the road now. Today we are leaving the Hawane resort and heading to Hippo Sanctuary, St. Lucia. Beautiful pond with the rolling hills in the background. What stunning views. We are pretty high up in elevation, and these highlands have pretty large, flat and fertile areas for ranching and farming. By the way, Eswatini is a landlocked country inside South Africa. It used to be called Swaziland, but they changed their name to Eswatini in 2018, which by the way means land of Swazi people, and its language is also called Swazi. I guess they changed their name for political reasons. It is also one of the few last surviving monarchies, which means the country has a king and a queen. And it is very rich in history. Records of early human activities dates back more than 4,000 years. There's a famous rock with the cave painting. It is on the way. We came yesterday to Eswatini, but yesterday the weather was not cooperative for us to stop there. It is a biodiversity hotspot and also has the Big Five. A quick recap of our adventure so far while you are soaking in these beautiful views of Eswatini. On day 1, we rode from Johannesburg to Mukau. Day 2, we rode to Hazy View. And day 3 and 4, we spent at Kruger National Park. And day 5, we went from Kruger to Hawane Resort in Eswatini. And today we're leaving Eswatini and heading back to South Africa, St. Lucia. We are passing through the town of Manzini. It is the second largest city in Eswatini. You can notice a lot of colonial architecture influence. I love the use of colors, like this wall. I've seen these murals throughout South Africa and Eswatini. Also, I noticed there are a lot of KFCs. A lot more KFCs than McDonald's. There is another one, not that far away from the one we saw earlier. Wow, what stunning views! If somebody asked me how would I describe Eswatini, I would say country with beautiful views. Every town, every road that we have ridden through, views have been just spectacular. We got pulled over for speeding, which turned into more of a fun photo op than punishment. We are back in beautiful South Africa, and I am super excited to see this wild animals crossing sign. Maybe we'll get lucky and see some animals. Also starting to see the familiar umbrella thornbush trees. It is nice to have a clear sunny day after 3 days of heavy rain. My riding gear, jacket, boots, gloves, everything is all dry now. We are heading into St. Lucia, and this bridge is the only way in and out of town. Underneath us is the Tugela River. This has the highest population of hippos and crocodiles. I don't see anything right now, but it is very difficult to spot animals from such a distance, especially hippos. Tomorrow we'll be doing a river cruise, so we should see a lot more hippos in the water. I've also heard that hippos roam the streets of St. Lucia at night. So if we are lucky, we might get to see some hippos roaming around. We are here at our destination, Urban Glamping. Annette, look, over there, photo op opportunity. There are 3 hippos. Perfect for us 3 tourists. Alright, we have arrived in St. Lucia. My God, look at these orchids. Aren't they beautiful? It's a beautiful place. I'll give you a little tour of my glamping. Go around the kitchen. And we are here. Nice outdoor seating. In here we have bunk bed. In bed, and little kitchenette, and look at this fancy bathroom. Oh, very cool. Guys, look. This was quite an exciting ending to the day. Tomorrow we're spending another day in St. Lucia, so there should be a lot more hippo sighting. So I hope you join me for that adventure.